It's time for the 2025 DIY Holiday Gift Guide. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and with it being November now, we're going to get into 10 or more different ideas that you could sew for different holiday gift guides. The best part about this is with all of these handmade gifts, I am going to be showing you different ways that you could pair items you could buy, and then there'll be an Amazon list with some of those ideas too, just to help kind of get you started. So let's go ahead and begin. So first, let's say you wanted to make maybe your loved one a quilt. I have two different quilt ideas for you. The first is this heart-shaped quilt. I always like making heart-shaped things, especially for family members, just because I think it's really fun. There is a full free pattern available for this on my blog, so you could walk through. I will say that this is going to take a little bit more time. So to help as we go through all of these ideas, at the bottom you'll see there'll be 3 spools. I'm labeling this one 3 spools out of 3 because it is going to be the highest level of effort, but it could be a really fun gift if you have a lot of fabric. Now, if you want to make a quilt that's a little bit easier and does not require as much of a level of effort, I would highly recommend my patchwork quilt. So these are just squares and you're just sewing the squares together. You could even turn this into a t-shirt quilt if you wanted, if you added interfacing to those t-shirts, and then you could make this for your loved one too as a really fun wall hanging. This is a great beginner-friendly quilt. Because it does not take as much time or effort, I'm labeling this one 2 out of 3 spools for a level of effort. So now with these 2 quilts out of the way, let's move into more of our home goods type items. So the first, and I feel like everyone could probably already guess this, it would be a bookmark. Whether it's a regular bookmark or one of the corner bookmarks that I put out the pattern for this year, there's full patterns available for both of these in my Etsy store. There is also videos on how to make these as well that are step by step to walk you through it. I think that these can be perfect little stocking stuffers though. You could make them in a bunch of different colors. If they have a favorite sports team, if they're going to a specific school, you can get so many different types of fabrics now that you could really customize this to meet their needs. What I also really like about these is then you could pair them with other gifts, maybe some books, a gift card to their favorite bookstore. Really, you could play around with how you wanted to do this. I know that some even like book series have their own merch now, so you could definitely kind of pair that too. So really just make it a whole like book lovers theme for gifts for them. I also love that these are so beginner friendly. You do not need that much fabric to make it. You can just use some scraps that you have laying around. Because of that, whether you're making this little corner bookmark or you are making that bigger bookmark, these are going to be so quick and easy to make for you. So this is just going to be a 1 spool out of 3 for the level of effort, and these could be fantastic for gifts for this holiday season. Moving on now to our cord keeper, there is a full free pattern piece on the blog for this and then a video to go along with it. What I love about these is one, that they are incredibly quick, but they're also really useful. So you could pair this maybe with a new phone case or a phone charger. Be sure you figure out what type of phone your person has that you're gifting these for before you do that though. But these are really fast and also would fall in that 1 spool for level of effort. Now let's say you wanted to make something maybe a little bit nicer, you could go with the rosary pouch or a jewelry pouch. So these are available on my Etsy store. There's a full pattern available and a video to walk through. When I originally made this pattern, it was for somebody who was Catholic who needed a little pouch for rosaries, but the best part about this is you can use it for jewelry as well. So you could get your loved one maybe some earrings, a necklace, just a really nice little pouch. There are 2 sizes, one being smaller and one's bigger. I will label this a 2 out of 3 spools for level of effort because there is that zipper, but a really quick make overall. So now I am going to separate the kitchen items out because there are so many. But first would be the pot holder. The pot holder is probably one of my favorite patterns I've made. These are so fantastic for gifts. It comes in 2 sizes, both that smaller and then a bigger pot holder. You could make it for different teams, you could make it for different seasons, but these are just a really quick and easy win. And then of course you could pair it with different kitchen utensils, maybe a new pan, a pot, a Dutch oven. Super fast though and easy, so definitely that 1 spool for a level of effort. In addition, you could make a bowl cozy. So I made these last year, this bowl cozy. I wasn't sure how much I would use it at the time. And now that a whole year has gone by, I can say that I use this bowl cozy so much. This is probably one of my favorite things I've made. So you could definitely make this maybe almost in matching fabric with the pot holder if you wanted to add more to it. You could also pair it maybe with some items for making soup if they're really into an Instant Pot or some sort of pressure cooker. That could also be another really fun gift. You could also get them maybe like a new bowl. But these are really fun, really easy to use. And because of how quickly this all came together and really uses minimum products, I would say that this is also that one spool for a level of effort, and this would be a really quick win. A full video is available on my channel for that as well. Now moving over to an oven mitt. So this oven mitt has a full free video on how to make it too. I absolutely love these though. You could do it in the same fabrics as a pot holder. Maybe they really like to bake, so you could give them a cookie sheet, a cupcake liner, maybe a cupcake tin. So many different ways to do this. These are really fast and really easy, and so I would give this one spool for a level of effort. Now moving on to something that may be a little bit more time consuming but could be really useful is the reusable produce bag. So if you have a family member who is really into going green, trying to eat healthier, you could definitely make them this produce bag. What I really love about these is they are completely washable, and then you can bring these to farmers markets, you could bring it to the grocery store just so that you're using less plastic. Then you could give this to them. You could also do it in different sizes. I have a full pattern on my Etsy store on how to make this that includes the pattern pieces, kind of walks you through everything. But if you wanted to pair it with other gifts, maybe you could give them different kitchen utensils for different fruits, like an avocado slicer or a melon tool, and then you could also do like a banana tree, just some different produce themed items. This is a little harder, so I would give it 3 spools just because of the level of difficulty. So now moving on to some hair accessories, bathroom accessories, spa ideas, let's talk about scrunchies. So you know that I love a good scrunchie. These can be such fun gift ideas for stocking stuffers or just to kind of give as an overall gift. You could make them beaded, you could do regular ones. These are so fast though. You could then pair them with other hair items, maybe like a hair mask or a new brush, or even like some hair tools if they're really into, you know, a new straightener or a new blow dryer. I would say that the scrunchie though is definitely a 1 spool out of 3 for a level of difficulty. If they are more into bows, I also have a bow pattern. So for the scrunchie and for the bow, there's full videos and patterns on my Etsy store for both of those. But you can just walk through, they come in different sizes as well. And if you really like the bow, you can make one for your pet too. And this also would fall in that 1 spool for level of difficulty. And then we have my little vinyl bag. I absolutely love this bag. You could put so many items in here. What I love about this though is it's so easy to clean. So you could put makeup in here, you could put lotion in here, you could put like little bath items in here. This could be a really great way to just give somebody a little spa set. If you wanted to put like some little soap fuzzies, if you wanted to maybe fill it up with different nail products or, you know, different nail polishes for them. Or you could also keep this just really simple and maybe just providing them a bunch of toothbrushes, dental floss. I know that people can kind of be a little different for what they like to give for Christmas, so you could just fill it up with a bunch of toiletries as kind of a nice gift to provide them for the year. Now, because this does use vinyl and there is a zipper, I'm going to say that it is 2 out of 3 spools for level of effort, and it is just a slightly more difficult, but it can be a really fun gift. I hope you enjoyed all of these gift ideas. Again, all of these are items that I have videos on my YouTube channel as well as potentially patterns on my Etsy store for you to walk through and for you to make as well. And I'll include a playlist that has all of those together. And then there's also that Amazon list that has some of those ideas that I had recommended for different items if you want to add to it, just to give you more of a gift guide inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.